Innovation is changing how we live, work, and explore the world around us. From cutting-edge robotics and space technology to AI-powered home appliances and next-generation devices. We're showing some of the most innovative discoveries that will make life easier, more intelligent, and more productive in today's video. These amazing innovations are expanding the realm of what is conceivable, whether they be advanced aeronautical engineering, potent consumer technology, clever cleaning solutions, or futuristic mobility systems. Prepare to learn about 10 incredible inventions that are enhancing your surroundings and providing us with a preview of what lies ahead. Now, let's begin. Majorana 2 represents Microsoft's pioneering advancement in topological quantum computing, engineered to maximize processing stability and architectural scalability for next-generation systems. The core breakthrough centers on a drastic enhancement in qubit reliability, allowing fragile quantum states to endure for roughly 20 seconds up to a full minute, which marks a 1,000-fold improvement over earlier configurations. Developed with a sophisticated material architecture utilizing lead-based superconductors, the processor significantly elevates defense against environmental disruptions and cosmic interference. This hardware remains a critical asset within cutting-edge research phases, serving as a vital stepping stone toward achieving fully scalable, error-corrected quantum computing by 2029 to solve highly complex scientific problems. The Schiebel Camcopter S-100 is a highly sophisticated rotary-wing unmanned aerial vehicle engineered to execute intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations over both terrestrial and maritime zones. Its primary breakthrough rests in its entirely autonomous vertical takeoff and landing functionality, which is paired with an operational endurance of up to 10 hours and a deployment radius of roughly 200 kilometers. The platform is highly versatile, accommodating diverse payload configurations such as electro-optical, infrared, radar, and communication monitoring systems for defense and rescue tasks. It is capable of achieving flight velocities of approximately 120 knots while supporting a maximum takeoff mass of nearly 200 kilograms, providing a highly reliable and flexible solution for modern airborne monitoring. The Dusk Sleep Regulation System is a cutting-edge wearable device engineered to actively enhance sleep quality rather than merely monitoring it, featuring real-time nervous system modulation as its primary breakthrough. By utilizing sophisticated EDA sensors positioned behind the ear, the device identifies minor autonomic disturbances throughout the night and counters them with gentle vagus and vestibular nerve stimulation to guide the user back into restorative deep sleep. Notable specifications include an ultra-lightweight behind-the-ear chassis, reusable adhesive contacts, extended multi-night battery longevity, and seamless pairing with a dedicated mobile application. The entire platform operates fully autonomous overnight, adjusting settings without requiring any manual intervention while the user rests. The Dawn Aerospace Mk2 Aurora stands as a groundbreaking advancement in modern aviation, blending rocket-powered capabilities with standard aircraft features into a completely reusable suborbital spaceplane. Engineered to execute takeoffs and landings on standard airport runways, the vehicle is capable of climbing to altitudes exceeding 100 kilometers and accelerating to velocities of Mach 3.7. It accommodates cargo payloads reaching up to 15 kilograms, while boasting exceptionally quick turnaround windows of under 4 hours between successive flights. Far removed from conventional expendable rocketry, this innovative craft is tailored specifically for high-frequency, economical operational cycles, paving the way for highly streamlined and affordable access to the upper atmosphere for scientific research and commercial ventures. The Axiom LCVG, liquid cooling and ventilation garment, represents a major technological leap engineered through a partnership between Axiom Space and Prada for NASA's upcoming Artemis lunar expeditions. Designed to be worn directly underneath the Axiom Extravehicular Mobility Unit, this sophisticated undergarment regulates astronaut body temperature during extended surface missions by pumping chilled water through embedded tubing while simultaneously supplying fresh oxygen and venting carbon dioxide. It introduces a fully redundant cooling architecture that offers a critical safety upgrade over legacy spacesuit designs. Tailored to withstand demanding 8-hour extravehicular activities, the system successfully merges elite aerospace functionality with state-of-the-art material technology to ensure maximum life support and endurance in harsh environments. The Deep Robotics Lynx S10 is a next-generation wheeled-legged robotic platform engineered for superior mobility and real-world industrial deployment, highlighting a major breakthrough in hybrid locomotion that merges high velocity with exceptional terrain adaptability. Its core innovation centers on a 16-joint AI-driven framework, featuring a versatile wheel-leg design, allowing the unit to sprint at speeds up to 8 meters per second while conquering obstacles as high as 50 centimeters in demanding environments. Technical specifications include an ultra-lightweight chassis weighing under 20 kilograms, an IP66 environmental protection rating, dual LiDAR arrays coupled with 360-degree camera perception, and fully autonomous navigation. Depending on the operational configuration, the robot can support substantial payloads of up to 120 kilograms, serving as a highly rugged solution for professional industrial tasks. The Dyson Clean & Wash Hygiene is a premium hard floor maintenance system that introduces a major advancement in home sanitation by integrating vacuum-free hydration, physical agitation, and efficient waste separation into a specialized single-roller architecture. Key technical specifications include a 70-minute continuous runtime, a lightweight 8.4-pound build, a 0.14-gallon clean water reservoir, and a 0.2-gallon dirty water capacity, allowing it to cover up to 3,770 square feet on a single charge. It features a heated air self-cleaning base station that dries the roller assembly after operation to ensure maximum hygiene. The machine focuses on simultaneously clearing liquid spills and solid particles while leaving surfaces completely streak-free, serving as an advanced high-end smart home cleaning device. The NVIDIA RTX Spark represents a massive technological leap in next-generation computing, unifying artificial intelligence acceleration, elite graphics processing, and robust CPU computing into a single ARM-based superchip tailored for ultra-efficient Windows personal computers. Its core breakthrough lies in combining a 20-core Grace CPU with a cutting-edge Blackwell RDX GPU that boasts 6,144 CUDA cores, generating up to 1 petaflop of AI processing power to handle advanced generative AI models, detailed 3D rendering, and real-time gaming. Built with up to 128 gigabytes of ultra-fast unified LPDDR5X memory, the platform effortlessly handles 12K high-resolution video production while driving AAA gaming titles at 1440p resolutions beyond 100 frames per second, making it an incredibly powerful engine for top-tier creators and technical professionals.